Embark on a horological exploration where affordability meets exceptional craftsmanship. In Most Affordable Watch Bargains today, we dive into a curated collection that defies price tags, showcasing timepieces that seamlessly blend style, innovation, and value. So, let's check them out.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
If you haven't experienced the GShock, especially the GA2100 collection, you're missing out on a quintessential piece for any watch enthusiast. The octagonal design, reminiscent of Audemars Piguet's Royal Oak, is a GShock trademark, and they own it well. Constructed with resin materials and fortified with carbon core guard technology, the GA2100 is practically indestructible. Street style exudes from every angle, with a plethora of options: stealthy black, vibrant neon, and captivating colored acrylic. The multitude of buttons can be overwhelming for the uninitiated, but mastering it adds another layer of satisfaction. Despite its 46mm size, it wears comfortably, being surprisingly light. Prices start at a reasonable $99, making it an accessible addition to any collection. The GA2100 is a watch that not only looks cool, but serves its purpose exceptionally well. Plus, it's a lifetime investment, something that will outlast even the most enduring elements. Get your hands on one. There's little excuse not to. The Seiko 5 Sports Collection is a must for every collector, and the homage to the original model for its 55th anniversary is a standout. Priced at $350, this stainless steel timepiece features vintage design elements, a 41-hour power reserve, and 100 meters of water resistance. It's a limited edition with just 15,555 units, sporting the iconic red secondhand and blue sports aesthetics. Despite my preference for a more modern style, the commitment to untouched design is commendable. Personally, I lean towards the regular Seiko 5 Sports, sans limitations, and with a price reduction of $50. Seiko series, whether vintage-inspired or versatile, offers robust reliability, functionality, and a satisfying bezel click, all at an affordable price. The Seiko 5, in any iteration, is undeniably cool and a valuable addition to any collection. Christopher Ward's C60 Concept 12 is a horological blend of iconic designs, channeling elements from watches like the Royal Oak, Zenith Defy Classic, Defy Skyline, and Chapek Antarctic. Priced at a reasonable £850 on a rubber strap, it comes in steel or an extra-thin titanium variant, both at 40mm. This watch, designed by the mind behind the Chapek Antarctic, marries integrated aesthetics without the hefty price tag, making it a compelling alternative. Despite potential ruffling in the luxury watch realm, its accessibility is a win for enthusiasts without £30,000 to spare. Crafted with Christopher Ward's precision, the C60 Concept 12 stands out in detailing and finishing, rivaling watches at much higher price points. It's a fusion of design influences, offering integrated goodness at a fraction of the cost. For £850, it's a well-made, well-detailed timepiece that deserves a place in any collection, proving that quality and design need not break the bank. The Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical 38mm is a fan favorite and an affordable entry-level Swiss watch that doesn't compromise on style or durability. Designed for no-nonsense functionality, it's the quintessential field watch, ready for tough situations and adventurous maneuvers. The 38mm stainless steel case is compact and robust and features a well-crafted lug curvature for a comfortable wrist fit. The khaki green NATO strap adds a touch of rugged charm. With maximum legibility in mind, the dial is adorned with clear numerical markings. Priced at a handsome £530, it offers exceptional value, though it's worth noting that its popularity is on the rise. Interestingly, I have a unique criterion for watch purchases. They must have been worn by James Marsden at some point. Hamilton, known for its cinematic appearances, notably holds the record for the most watches in films. The Khaki Field Mechanical, worn by James Marsden in the 2020 Sonic the Hedgehog film, adds a cinematic touch to its appeal. This watch is not just a stylish timepiece, but a piece of timeless cinema, making it a worthy addition to any collection. The Moonswatch, the talk of recent years, is a peculiar watch that gained notoriety for its elusive nature and plastic build. Despite its quirks and the chaos it caused in global queues, there's an odd joy in having one on your wrist, akin to a peculiar satisfaction. While some variants face scarcity, others like the Mars and Jupiter editions are more accessible, offering a taste of the Moonwatch charm. Priced at $250, it's not a stellar deal, especially considering the plastic and brittle nature, with the added risk of pushers flying off. However, the allure of having an Omega-branded timepiece in your collection is hard to resist. There's a caveat though. Swap out the stock strap for something more durable, bury the original at least 15 feet underground, and handle it with care. The Moonswatch may not withstand sunlight, abrasives, or the presence of nearby petals. But for those precious few minutes, it brings an inexplicable joy that might just be worth the trouble. The Tiso PRX PowerMatic 80 in the 35mm variant is a delightful option, addressing the size concerns of its larger 40mm counterpart. Tiso, in their considerate manner, provides a more universally appealing size, making it suitable for a broader range of wrist sizes. The PRX exudes a sense of quality beyond its price point, boasting a substantial feel and impeccable finishing. The metaphorical off-the-chain finishing extends beyond the bracelet to the entire watch. The waffle dial and the iconic 70s case shape add a touch of vintage charm to this already impressive package. While some might find the hype surrounding it a tad excessive, the PRX PowerMatic 80 justifies the acclaim with its overall appeal. In an interesting turn, Tiso may soon be recognized as the watchmaker synonymous with the PRX, which has become renowned for its more upscale iterations. In any case, the Tiso PRX PowerMatic 80, especially in the 35mm size, deserves a spot in your collection, offering a blend of style, quality, and iconic design. The Farah Resolute, at 36mm, not only stands out for its size, but also for its intriguing namesake. Farah, a British watch company, draws inspiration from British history, and the Resolute pays homage to a British Navy Arctic boat wedged in icy terrain. A vessel later restored by the Americans and gifted back to the British. The boat's wood, after serving its purpose, found new life as the desk in the Oval Office. Beyond its historical ties, the Resolute features a captivating white enamel dial with impeccable polish and quality. The combination of markers and hands, coupled with the enamel's soft glow, creates a distinct personality. The numerals, possibly outlined in lume, add a popping aesthetic. Adding to its charm, the Resolute boasts a bronze cap on the crown, contributing to its unique appeal. Powered by the Le Jouperet G101 movement, it takes a different route from the conventional, offering a quirky and distinctive take. Farah's commitment to high quality and individuality is unmistakable in the Resolute, making it a standout piece in any collection. The Citizen Series 8 Automatic emerges as a Japanese bargain, offering a mechanical sports watch with a myriad of possibilities, primarily telling the time. Beyond its date and three-hand functionality, the watch features chunky applied indices on a dial, but what truly sets it apart is the angular architectural case. Priced under £1,000, this timepiece offers a unique design reminiscent of Gerald Genta's work, almost like an early CAD rendering with its angular edges and distinct geometry. At 40mm, it defies expectations of being overly large and remains eminently wearable. For those willing to stretch their budget slightly beyond $1,000, the rainbow-dialed iridescent version adds a touch of flair. It's a budget-friendly nod to the Royal Oak Rainbow, featuring a sparkling laserdisc dial that exudes a playful charm. In the trade-off between an Audemars Piguet and a shiny Citizen, the latter's unique design and affordability make for a compelling choice. Zelos presents the Spearfish GMT Frost Edition, a splendid alternative for those yearning for a snowflake aesthetic without breaking the bank. The textured sunburst dial introduces icy flecks of cyan blue, reminiscent of frost, especially evident in the loom. The deep grooves layered into the textured dial add a unique touch, evoking the feeling of defrosting a fridge. Equipped with a Sellita SW330, this 40mm steel-cased timepiece offers an impressive package for a modest $1,000 price tag. The snow-inspired texture, coupled with the slightly off-white color and vibrant cyan accents, creates a visual feast, reminiscent of minty freshness that might just make you reach for chewing gum or a toothbrush. The Frost Edition's snowy pattern, sun-rayed out, even gives the impression of being hit in the face with a snowball. A delightful and affordable choice for those seeking a snowflake-inspired timepiece. The Seiko 4512 wristwatch from Seiko Watches is a hidden gem in the field watch category, where simplicity belies intricate details. Despite its straightforward aesthetic, the devil resides in the details, showcasing a meticulous approach to finishes and textures. The circular bezel flaunts a straight, brushed finish, complemented by a finely polished beveled edge. A meticulous touch mirrored on the lugs. The hands, too, exhibit a thoughtful brushing. The bandolier-esque bong clip bracelet adds a nostalgic charm reminiscent of stretchy metal bracelets from the past. This field watch, priced at €575, exudes a rugged and well-finished appeal that seems to surpass its value. What sets Seiko apart is its unique style and an unparalleled level of finishing and attention to detail. In the realm of vintage throwback watches, Seiko not only brings a distinct style, but elevates the overall experience, providing a timepiece that feels both considered and exceptional in value. So that was all about the most affordable watch bargains today just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know. And as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.